Hey guys, what's going on? Got another good one for you right now. This is a sneak preview, so check this out. Stand by. So I'm inside the Westin downtown for DRG's Westin meet. Normally I just do my own thing and break away from the group, which was a good thing. Check this out. So if you're planning on hosting an event, they have many of rooms to get whatever you need. Check this out. Beautiful chandelier. Check out those stairs. Even Brad's holding the carpet down. Then I'll take it through the main hall right here. Main entrance off the street of Commerce. I don't know what that's about, but that cool little box. I don't know what's in it. That's fine. Oh, nothing. Nothing's in there. Normally there's stuff in things. Take you out to this patio right quick. Oh, guess not. Not through that side at least. We get to see everybody else. All right, let's get downstairs. Cafecito. Nice window right here. Take you out through the restaurant they have downstairs on the river. Restaurant and bar.
I like to believe that he probably.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me on that quick little walk down. Hope you guys join me on the next one. Have a good one.